Your message is not secure on Twitter or X if you do not enable end-to-end encryption on your account. Then tap on this message button at the base of the screen. Now you tap on this button that says welcome to new X chats end-to-end encryption. So you need to enable this. Messages are end-to-end encrypted across all devices. State-of-the-art privacy, then set code. So you need to set code for this. To do that is very simple. Tap on this button, create a code or create passcode. Tap on it. Then this passcode should be memorable and keep private. Without it, you will not be able to access your message. It means you need this code to access your message. So to set this code, just provide your 4-digit code, then repeat the code again. So just wait for a few seconds for this to be fully set. Now my chat is now safe and secure. That is how to enable end-to-end encryption on your Twitter account. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates.